Hi guys! Today I'm making a couple of basket liners and this is the basket that I'll be working with. First you'll need to measure all sides and the bottom to see exactly how much material you need to use. To create the first liner, I used a 5mm crochet hook, blue and white yarn, which was 40% wool, 60% acrylic, and I created this pattern that you guys already know. I will also include the link to be easier for you to find to my previous video, how to crochet for beginners. I made 5 pieces, 2 for the wider sides, 2 for the narrow sides, and 1 for the bottom. I am using a yarn needle to sew all the pieces together. After you finished with sewing the bottom pieces, the bottom part, you will have to also do the same on the sides. And now your basket liner is ready, and as you can see is quite it can stand on its own a little bit, so I'm guessing if you would use thicker yarn you can probably create a basket on its own. For the second liner, I will be using only fabric, and I chose this really cute color. From this darker shade, I will be creating the narrow sides and the bottom. and from the lighter one I'll be creating the white side. I'm trying to get all the creases out first, and then I'll be ironing all the sides to keep them from fraying apart. Like for the first one, I will be sewing the bottom part first, and then the side part as well, and I will be sewing half of the upper sides because I want to have an unfinished look to it. So as you can see, the topmost sides of it, they are not sewn, they are just apart. They seem like they are apart. I am sewing 4 buttons on 1 button on every side, so 4 buttons, because I want to attach some really cute tassels. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.